Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing a bit different video because I have so many people ask me to do a video for basics, for beginners especially. So this video is going to be focusing beginners who's very new in crochet and who is willing to start crochet. So in this particular video I'm going to be showing you what you should know at first when you're starting to crochet, and few more videos I will do for beginners in between my other videos. And I also wanted to welcome my new people, whoever started to watch me from India, Pakistan, Malaysia, Algeria and the US as well. And thank you very much for all your comments, likes. I hope you will stay with me for my new videos as well. So let's go ahead and have a look how we're gonna start crochet. Let's have a look what we're gonna need to learn crochet. First you're gonna need yarn. You can buy it from market and the brands will be different from each country wherever you are living. And you're gonna need yarn hook. There are different type of yarn hook, like these two are metal and this is with plastic. You can choose any, doesn't really matter. What matter is the hook size. So you can always find that hook has a size, like this is 4 millimeter, this is 3.5 millimeter, and this is quite smaller one, 2.5 millimeter. So when you choose a yarn hook, it should be matching with your yarn. So how you gonna choose your yarn hook according to your yarn? When you buy a yarn, this is the front side, and when you go back, there will be size mentioned over here. Like for knitting, there is a different number. For crochet, there is a different number. If you can see, this is my yarn, 3.5 millimeter hook. So I should use this hook, which is 3.5 millimeter. That's how you choose a hook for your yarn. Apart from that, you're gonna need a scissor and a yarn needle. This is also called blonde needle because it is blonde. This is all what you're going to need to begin crochet. So let's go ahead and have a look how we're going to start. First you need to unwrap your yarn, and you can open it from the middle. That's one way, or else you can just open it from the side. And always keep some yarn unwrapped when you're starting to work. It's gonna be easy for you. Now I always hold my yarn with 2 fingers. It's depending on you. If you feel some other method are easy for you, you can hold the way that makes you easy to work. For me, I think this is easier. Hold your yarn with your 2 fingers. Wrap it around the 2 fingers and make a cross. Now grab your yarn hook, go through this first yarn, grab your second yarn and pull it through. As you can see, there is a loop. Now just hold this yarn and remove your fingers. Pull it. Now here you have a slip knot. This is my slip knot. This is the first step when you wanted to learn crochet. You need to know how to do a slip knot. Also there are many different ways to do a slip knot. I'm just showing you what is easy for me. So you're gonna put your yarn hook and start. Now just bring your yarn hook little bit to the front, go behind your yarn and grab it with your yarn hook and pull through this loop. Now you have done a chain. Chaining is the basic of crochet. So first you need to know how to do a slip knot, and then you need to know how to do chaining. So this is my first chain. Now I'm going to bring my yarn hook, go behind your yarn, pull it through your loop. I have done 2 chains. Go behind your yarn, pull it through your loop. I have done 3 chains. So this way, wrap it, pull it through, wrap it, pull it through. This way you're gonna do chaining. And when you go wrap and pull your yarn, this is called yarn over. So in my videos I will always tell you yarn over, then you need to know what is yarn over. So yarn over, pull through your loop, yarn over, pull through your loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So this is all my chaining. So you need to practice doing this. Keep practicing many times, then you will have a neat chaining. As you can see, all my chain are same size. When you started to learn, you won't be able to get it same size. Sometimes you pull it little bit loose and then chain, and then your chain is going to be very big. That's wrong. And also sometimes you make it very tight and you want to pull through, but you can't do it because it's very tight. That's wrong. You always need to have a proper chain. So just pull through. Keep doing it to learn how to do chaining. And I will tell you also, in these chains they are always V shape. So with this V shape you should know how to count your chaining. So this first V is 1 chain, second 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this loop which is in your hook will never count as a chain. My last chain will be this, not the one in the hook. This is not going to be counting as a chain. So this is my basic lesson for crochet, the first how to chaining. And in my next video I will bring you the basic stitches you need to know. Till that time you can practice how to do chaining and do a perfect chaining. Then we will go for stitches. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you soon in my next video.